Hi guys, welcome to New Tech Zone YouTube channel. To get notified mind-blowing latest technology news visible right in your YouTube homepage, subscribe and click bell button. Thank you.
Hi guys, welcome to New Tech Zone YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you a simple method to delete newly created user account from your Mac computer. So I have already shown you how to create a new user account and how to manage passwords, and I've explained lots of options in here. So if you don't know how to create a new user account, or if you want to delete your password or something like that, I have already explained this in my previous video. I'll show you the link below in my video description, so please don't forget to watch it. So in this video guide, I'm going to show you how to delete the user account that you have created already. So let's go. Click on the Apple icon here and click System Preferences, and here you have to click Users and Groups. Okay, so here you can find all the user accounts. So first of all, you have to unlock your account. So at the moment I have not enabled any password, so I just click unlock button and it has unlocked. Okay, now you can find that I have already created visitor user account. So now I want to delete it. So it's a very easy way to delete. So first of all, select the user account and click the minus icon here. So you can find there is appearing a pop-up box something like this. Select the option as you want. So I want to select delete the user, and that's it. Now I've deleted my user account from my Mac computer. So this is the easy tutorial. So guys, if you think this video is helpful, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Also, if you have any issues or question, please don't forget to comment below in my video description, and definitely I'll try to comment or I'll try to answer for all of your questions. Thank you.
If you like our videos, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to stay tuned more awesome latest tech videos. Thank you.